अंदर जहां पर कोरोना का वायरस जो पूरे देश में हाहाकार मचा रखी है, उसी दौरान भारत के अंदर भी कोरोना ने यहाँ पर बड़े लोगों को यहाँ पर बाधित किया है। इसी बीच में यहाँ पर जो है भारत के अंदर EPS 95 संगठन का जो देशव्यापी आंदोलन चल रहा है, इस देशव्यापी आंदोलन के बारे में हमने कमांडर अशोक राउत जो कि इस संगठन के संस्थापक अध्यक्ष हैं, उनसे हमने आपसे रूबरू कराया था, उनसे हमने बातचीत यहाँ पर की थी। लेकिन बहुत से लोगों ने हमें बताया कि उन लोगों को यह जो मुलाकात है वो इंग्लिश में अगर प्रसारित हो तो हमारे लिए बेहतर होगा। इसलिए हम आज लेकर आए हैं कमांडर अशोक राउत जी से हम सीधा बात करेंगे और कोरोना वायरस के इस पार्श्वभूमि पर संगठन का किस तरह का आगे की किस तरह से दिशा होगी, इस बारे में हम चर्चा करने वाले। सर, सबसे पहले बताइए कि किस तरह से ये जो आंदोलन है वो चल रहा है, और बहुत से लोगों ने हमें फोन किए और बताया कि यह जो मुलाकात है वो इंग्लिश में प्रसारित की जाए, इसलिए हम आपको यहाँ पर बुलाया है। तो सर बताइए किस तरह से कोरोना वायरस जो है इसके पार्श्वभूमि पर आंदोलन की क्या दिशा होगी और क्या आप ये करना चाहेंगे लोगों को?
First of all, my namaskar to all my pensioners, brothers and sisters. Last time we had given an interview which was in Hindi, and most of the lakhs of people actually saw it. But most of the people, those who are non-Hindi languages, those who speak, especially in South India, they wanted us to say the few things in English, which I would like to repeat from the previous interview, not much. I'll just give the small little talk on that, and then our next direction of this agitation, where it goes vis-a-vis this coronavirus issue. Brothers, sisters, we had met our Honorable Prime Minister on 4th March in New Delhi at his office. We were in fact honored to meet him, and through Honorable Hema Malini ji, who is the Member of Parliament from Mathura, she being a kind-hearted artist, a sensitive artist, and being a lady who has a Matru Hruday, she has actually took us there, understood our problem. We spoke to the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, for half an hour, and he listened to us carefully, and finally he had given directions to his Minister of State for PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, to resolve this issue on priority and urgent war footing. So this is a good news. The greatest authority in India had listened to our problem and even promised us to resolve this at very early stage. We therefore, from our 65 lakhs pensioner families, we are very grateful and thankful to our beloved Prime Minister as well as Honorable Hema Malini ji. By seeing this promise from the highest authority, we stopped all our agitations throughout the country. No sabhas, no meetings are even taken. And of course, this coronavirus, in fact, it's good to not to have gathering. So we are not gathering anywhere. I repeat it to all our friends, all our agitators, all our Andolan Kartas, that please do not gather, please do not have any meetings, any sabha whatsoever. You can talk on phone and resolve the issues, but please do not gather anywhere. This is good for the country that we all go into isolation for a few days. And also you must have heard yesterday's address of the Prime Minister to the nation. We must follow whatever good for the country and for this word of ours. This is our duty to follow that, and we must follow everything which is good for the country. Agitation, of course, Buldana agitation will go on, but there also in the agitation tent, only 2 people will stay, that too with mask, and they will be apart from each other for few meters. Only 1 person will do the your hunger strike, and other person will assist him. That's all. Rest all, everything is stopped for now, and I hope we all understand the urgency and importance of this. That is what about the agitation. Now regarding the next future course of action, I must tell that we being senior citizens, it is our duty to do whatsoever possible to stop this coronavirus. We must go contact people on phone, tell them to refrain from gathering, not only our agitators, but rest everywhere within your relatives, relations, friend circles. And this awareness about corona must be spread by us. And for that, as a organization, as a Rashtriya Sangharsha Samiti or National Agitation Committee, we decided that we will assist wherever possible throughout India to our administrations, respective states or respective district. You must go to your collector and voluntarily tell him or her that we are ready to assist the government and society for whatsoever job, maybe spreading the news or going somewhere or making people aware about this, telling about precautions, whichever way the administration wants to use us. As a good citizens, as a good senior citizens, we will abide by administration's request or requirements. In the same context, today we had an opportunity to meet our district collector in Buldana. Myself and our General Secretary Virendra Singh ji, we both were in Buldana, so we met her and we told the Honorable Collector that we will do whatever possible within this district by the district committee. We will make people aware, or whichever way your administration want us to help, we are ready to help. So this is what we would like to tell again. See, ये प्रकोप बहुत बड़ा है. ये सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में नहीं बल्कि पूरे विश्व में है, और ये एक सबका एक कॉमन एनिमी है, और इसको प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर इसमें है. तो हमें प्रिवेंशन करना है. इसमें हम लोग सीनियर सिटीजन्स हैं, हम इस देश के निवासी हैं और इस देश के जागरूक नागरिक हैं. इसलिए हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जितना हो सके प्रशासन की हमको पूरी मदद करनी है. देश की, सरकार की, प्रशासन की, राज्य शासन की, सबकी हमें मदद करनी है, और हम लोग को भी खुद की केयर करनी है. मास्क पहनने हैं, सैनिटाइजर यूज करना है. जो 22 तारीख को जो जनता कर्फ्यू, उसमें हम पूरा सहयोग हमको देना है. वी ऑल मस्ट पार्टिसिपेट इन जनता कर्फ्यू, and whatever logic, there is good scientific logic behind it, so we must abide by that. और सभी को मैं शुभकामनाएं देता हूं कि आपकी बात प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सुनी है. हम सबकी 65 lakhs of our people or families are actually looking towards the Prime Minister with lots of hopes, and I'm sure such a big man, when he gives promise, obviously it will come true. But notwithstanding, meanwhile we will not hold, हम कोई सभा नहीं लेंगे, कोई मीटिंग नहीं लेंगे. हम मोबाइल पे बात कर सकते हैं, उतना हम करके कांटेक्ट में रहें. और सभी राज्याध्यक्षों को, सभी जिला अध्यक्षों को मेरी ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम लोग अगले आदेश की प्रतीक्षा करें. तब तक हम बिल्कुल शांति से अपने आपकी, अपने परिवारों की और अपने देशवासियों की रक्षा कोरोना से कैसे करें, इसी पे हमारा सारा ध्यान केंद्रित करें. इतना ही कहना है. और मैं सभी को आपको धन्यवाद देता हूं. हिंदी का इंटरव्यू काफी लोगों ने देखा. वैसे ही दिस इंटरव्यू आल्सो आई एम श्योर मेनी पीपल विल सी एंड अबाइड बाय दैट. 65 lakhs EPS 95 pensioners and many those who are working in this field will definitely help in this to the organization. Thank you very much.